want to protest in the strongest possible terms. My equipment was moved again last night.
There's a simple reason for that.
No, more than simple. It is a distinct lack of respect by those who share your laboratory with me. If a scientist's equipment cannot be kept in the precise positions in which it was left...
Then we are savages, not scientists. I couldn't agree more.
Then all I need is your assurance
and it is for
that
this
it will
reason
not...
I must ask you please to leave my laboratory.
Leave?
Apologise.
No, never. I will find my own way.
Hello.
I stand beside you merely because you look as awkward as I feel, and I made the...
Do I seem awkward?
I think correct assumption that we will look less awkward standing together...
I don't feel awkward.
...than we might standing apart. I measure uranium, and I discover less radiations than I do in its ore.
The ore is more powerful than the element.
Exactly.
We are here to present to you 2 new elements, polonium and radium.